How to turn off syncing in Gmail on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about turning off the syncing in your Gmail account on your Android device. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of Gmail application on your mobile device and you're also logged in with your specific account. To check the update, open your Play Store application, click on the search bar and then type in Gmail. Once you find it, click on it, and if you see an update button instead of open highlighted in blue color, simply tap on it to update it to the latest version available. Now come back and open your Gmail account. Now tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. Once you do that, scroll down and go to Settings, that is just below the Contact option. Click on it. Now select the specific Gmail ID you'd like to work on. After that, scroll all the way down and simply locate the data usage option. From its category, you will see sync a Gmail option. Here you can see that the box is checked. So in order to stop syncing on your Gmail account, simply uncheck this box. So you can see the indication that you need to pull down from the top of your inbox to refresh and won't receive any notifications further. Then click on OK to confirm. This is how you can easily turn off syncing in your Gmail account, and it also helps you save the battery of your phone. So that's all for this video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.